So students, let us discuss one more problem based on trigonometric identities and see what the problem is. See here we have given, it's a very simple problem, understand? It's a very simple problem. See here, we have given what? Sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Then we need to show that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1. It's the simplest problem, not even 2 steps we need to solve this. Okay, just within a fraction of seconds you can solve it. But let me tell you, see here, this is what a given condition, and this is solution. Okay, a given condition was what? Sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, now let us do something. Sin theta equal to, send this sin square theta to other side, then what happens? Here 1 minus sin square theta we get. Okay, so 1 minus sin square theta. Now take the help of first identity of the trigonometry, that would be what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from this, what can you say? Here, if you take the sin square theta to another side, then what will happen? Cos square theta equal to, this is 1 minus sin square theta. So every time we can replace this 1 minus sin square theta with cos square theta, right? So here also we have given 1 minus sin square theta. So what can we do here? Sin theta equal to, okay, 1 minus sin square theta equal to what? Cos theta. So here this would be replaced by this. So therefore we can put here cos square theta. Okay, so keep this aside. This is a condition obtained. Okay, in this case what happened? Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Generally it will never happen. So for this given condition it is true. Okay, so now tell me, here cos square theta plus cos square 4 theta equal to, we need to show something. Okay, what we need to prove here? To prove here cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1. Then we can say this is LHS part and this would be RHS, means RHS is 1. You need to obtain it. Taking LHS as usual. LHS we took, then tell me what is LHS in this? Cos square theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta. Okay, now for my convenience I am going to rewrite this cos power 4 theta as cos square theta for this whole square. Can we write it like this or not? Cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square. Okay, so now in as we said that cos square theta equal to what? Sin theta or not? We said cos square theta equal to sin theta. So only here in this term only put cos square theta equal to sin theta. Cos square theta equal to, we put sin theta for this whole square. So what happens here? Cos square theta plus sin theta whole square, that would be your sin square theta. So what is this? Cos square theta plus sin square theta means it is identity, first identity, and value of this would be what? 1. So therefore is it our RHS or not? So RHS we obtained. So therefore we took LHS and we obtained RHS, means from this to this. Okay, using this condition. Understood? Like this we can solve it. So that's it.